Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi. Will this needle tip bottle help me bloom? I don't hold out much chances, but seeing as I can't use one of them bag thingies, I thought I'll try this. We'll see if I can actually make a bloom using that. Now, I've already got my resin mixed 1:1 and it is Tea Expert. I have got other resin bottles, but I like to use one at a time. Now, that pot took a while to open. I had to get my pliers out to get it open. It got stuck around the top. Must be an accidental catch with some cured resin. It was a pain in the bottom. This is the titanium white that I've made myself using Part B and titanium white dioxide. And you do not need a lot. And I love it. I have realised that I have been making it too opaque. So I've learned, finally, it needs to be a milky consistency. Skimmed milk. And that's just about right. Yeah, skimmed milk. And I'm doing this for a collab with Susie, Tina, Amy and Petra. Now their channels will be in the description below along with the playlist. Please give them some love and have a look at what they've got on offer, because they're all bound to have done better than I have. I'm certain of it. Although I don't think it's bad. And I am a messy Nessie. Look at me. Totally clumsy. Got it everywhere. Now, that funnel came in handy. It really did. And because I don't waste anything, I did scrape that up and put it in the pot. I don't like wasting anything at all. It's just one of my things. So I use something just to scrape it up, put it in, and wait for the resin to just go into the bottle using the funnel. Now, to clean the funnel and the bottle, I did use, now what was it I used? Oh, acetate, nail varnish remover. The one with acetate in it. You can get others, but it's the one with the acetate in that you need. And all I did with the bottle was shake it up, leave it shook up for a little while, and then tipped it upside down into a cup with a baby wipe in. And every now and again I'd just give it a little squeeze, then another little squeeze. Cleaned it up brilliant. Same as the funnel, I put that onto another cup with a baby wipe underneath and just put the acetate inside and just let it do its thing. Brilliant. So they are both nice and clean, squeaky clean. Now, I'm having to clean that because I've got resin all over it and I don't want white. So, thank you to my members. You are all awesome sauce. And a huge thank you for everybody that turned up for the live on Tuesday for me and Wendy. You are brilliant. And I so appreciate it because I'm not a very good people person. And I was absolutely shattered after. So yes, a huge thank you. Really appreciate it. It was very scary for me. Wendy seemed to be like, calm as anything, charming. So I've got that in there, just cleaning the bottle and leaving it to it. I'm waiting for the temperature to go up on my resin. I think it was 35 degrees centigrade, I think. Oh, do you know, I can't actually remember. But look at that. I nearly lost the cup. And I think I nearly lose it again at some point. And can you see what I'm doing? I'm pressing that. That is not even a button. I'm pressing it and pressing it thinking, why is this not doing anything? Because it had gone off by itself, you see. It's not the button. It's the little hinge that snaps the pin back into the side. Yes, I did laugh at myself. What a daft thing to do. So I had to wait for the mould to dry. I cleaned off my stick, and yeah, I folded the pin. Look, there's a pin. Yeah, dopey me. So, favourite knife, love this knife. So good to mix with, whether it's acrylic, resin, anything. It's brilliant. So now I am dumping in my resin, and did I leave? No, I did not leave any. Did I? No, I didn't. I'm arguing with myself now. See, I know how to make a bloom, but you know how and doing for me doesn't work at the same time. So as I'm doing, I get all flustered, and you'll see where my hands go. It's like my hands don't know what my brain's telling it to do. It's just daftness. But yeah, I do know how to do a bloom. Actually, doing the bloom, yeah, totally different ball game. I do not know how the likes of Amy and Petra and Tina and, oh God, Susie, everybody, I don't know how they do it. And here I am trying to, one, get a cat hair out, or at least I thought it was a cat hair. And it's mine. I'm molting. I think I was a cat in a previous life. And I'm also trying to pluck the bubbles out, because I don't want to use heat. It's already hot enough, and it's getting thicker, and I don't want it to get thinner by adding heat. And now I'm going around the edge. I'm not going all the way down the bottom, because I've got a cocktail stick. I don't want to scrape the mould. But I do play with this for a while, just trying to get rid of any bubbles. And I will go over the top with my torch, but do the little fast quickie click thing. Only the torch wouldn't start, so I had to use my flame. And I've figured out that if I stand this torch upwards, then it'll light. If I stand it downwards, it won't. It's weird. So I'm trying to get rid of as many bubbles. And I definitely don't want to use alcohol, because that'll just make a mess. And I'm still faffing. And I'm like, I will get this perfect. I will get this right this time. And I'm willing myself, I really am, really willing myself to get it done. And I must go over this 1,000,000 times. Is there anybody else that faffs like I do when it comes to a bloom? I mean, I could not stop touching it. By the time I've done, it'll be half cured. But I'm determined, I really am determined to get it right. Does it mean I get it right? Well, you'll have to see. So, these are definitely inks. I asked the husband said yes. So now he's got a job to do. He has to go through all my inks and colourants and tell me which ones are inks. So I'm using a rose pink, I think, a dark blue and light blue, and a green. I wish I could remember which colours I actually used, but I don't. I did this off the cuff. I wasn't actually going to do this bloom collab, because blooms, they're my nemesis. But can you see? There's movement. The inks are actually moving. That's because they're actual inks. So, that's a plus sign. It might actually work. And I don't know what I got in there, but I had to quickly go in and just try and grab it. So the green is going to go on the outside. And you can see, look, while I'm faffing with that bottle, it's spreading. It looks like frog spawn. Well, I think it looks like frog spawn. I mean, I don't know what it was doing in the middle. It's very strange. But you can see that it's actually moving. So, I forgot to shake the bottle. And I'm going in now with the green. And I can't remember if I actually let the green do its thing. I really can't. Because like I said, I wasn't going to do a bloom. And I just thought, you know what, let's give it a try. I'll record it anyway. Doesn't have to work. If it doesn't work, it doesn't matter. Nobody knows. Because I weren't going to tell anybody. And then I did it. I did a thing. But look at that. And here's the bit where I start to faff. It's like, do I go into the middle now? No, I don't. You know you don't, but you're still going to try it anyway, aren't you? So, you see the little holes inside the green? That's where the bubbles pop. It's so cute. Now, I think I could do with, and there we go again, look, with that stick. Do I do it now? Do I do it now? Oh, so let's just do this. I do swirly whirlies. No rhyme or reason. No pattern intended. It was just, I have it in my hand. I'm going to go for it. Which is probably not the right thing to do. I think I've missed a few steps or mixed up a few steps. But either way, I'm onto the white. Now, the needle nose pliers, that's what I want to say every time. It's not that. The needle tip bottle, you can see it's very, very thin. I possibly could have done with it being a thicker tip, so the hole's a bit bigger. It would have made much more sense. So I think if it had been thicker, it would have been absolutely stunning. But because it's only thin and I'm actually struggling to squeeze this bottle, and it's not because the resin's really thick, because it was fine. It was because the tip on its own was just too thin and there was no give in the actual bottle. So I now have to think of another way of using something I can squeeze that isn't too thick. I have got other bottles, but I think the hole might be a bit too thick on them. We'll have to see. If I do end up going round and round, and I'm having to use both hands to squeeze this bottle to try and keep it consistently going round. And I do have to like catch up in a few places and take out bits that accidentally dropped in from God knows where. But you can see, as I'm going round, it's moving, it's doing something. It really is doing something. I don't know what that something is, but it's doing something. But I'm trying to go over the lines twice as well and keep going, because the lines aren't very visible. It's really, really thin. Way too thin. And now this is the bit where I'm thinking, do I just carry on? Do I just keep going round and round? What am I doing now? I have no idea. And this is how my brain goes on. I talk to myself in my own head. I answer myself in my own head. Yes, I do need a hug me jacket. But like I said, I'm trying to go over again. Just trying to get them lines to be a bit more thicker. And I tried to leave the bottle on there to cure. Empty and cure. So now I'm going in, doing the clock. 12, 6, 9, 3. I think I do too many. I do go a bit crackers. And I think because I'd got that paintbrush in my hand, that's the thing I went with. So then I did all those bits. I did a swirly whirly in the middle. And now I'm just going to put some crystals in the middle, because that was a complete afterthought and completely forgot. And I'd got just a little bit of clear left behind, because then I'm thinking, should I have put a push in this? Oh, so yeah, my brain was all over the place. I'd argued no end. And now I've put this on super fast speed, as you can see with my hand. I've emptied most of the bottle out onto there just to cure, and I'll put that in my stash, my rubbish drawer. I mean, it's amazing how you can put it on super fast speed and still it barely moves, but it is doing more than it did the last time I made one. So I'm getting somewhere. I really am getting somewhere. I mean, I don't know where that place is, but it's somewhere. So it's the centre. I really like the centre. It's very, I don't know, me. It's weird. It's not the flower colours you put with a flower. It's just odd. Very odd. And I could also see it doing different things that I wasn't expecting. So we will be coming to the end of the fast forward. As you can probably tell, really didn't make much difference, but it did make a difference. And if I could have made it faster forward, I would have done. Now this is the back. And I've got it on a blue mat because it's going to be clear. Because I didn't put a backing on. Because I thought we've got blue, we've got pink, we've got green. And we've got more blue. And somehow we've got purple. Obviously the pink and the blue mixed up and blah blah blah. So I didn't know what colour to put on the back. And to be fair, there weren't much room in that. And I have noticed there is a ton of microbubbles. It's absolutely crammed with microbubbles. I didn't notice until I put it up into the sunlight. But this is a practice. Just a practice. But you can see there are actual bloomy bits. They're not consistent. They're not brilliant. But it's tried to bloom. It has proper tried to bloom. And you'll be able to see it when I hold it up to the sky. When I take the photos, you can actually see white petals forming. And I was really happy. I like, oh, I like it. You can't really tell on there. You can't really see the white on there. But it was coming through. So it was happening. I think this is some sort of sci-fi flower. A sci-fi bloom. Something you'd find in I don't know, some space alien laboratory. So I tried it on the blue, liked it on the blue, tried it on the white, and I tried it on the light blue. And then I took photos of it outside on the grass, and I took a photo with it up in the sky. I was holding it, I didn't throw it up in the sky or anything like that. But yeah, I'm actually pleased with this. It's different, it's not fully bloomed, but it's getting there. So if you like what you see, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, hype. And don't forget to check out the playlist below. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.